Hello and welcome to this edition of Daily Active brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I'm Dustin and we are looking at CCL, Carnival Corporation and Place, whatever that means, the PLC. This is a very interesting chart. You can see that we've had a major run up over that $10 level. Looks like we peaked somewhere around 16 or so, and we are falling hard. I mean, if we look at just the daily change, we're down 7.5% in one individual day. And on a 5-day rolling change, we are down 7.5%. That's incredible that they've moved like that. When we look, we are seeing that there was record volume today, or at least it's actually not record volume. It was 106 million shares, which is 3 standard deviations above the current mean of the volume. But it is not even the highest volume in the past 2 weeks, which is when we saw 126 million on the 12th of June. When we look here at the sentiment, we do see it going bearish, It's still bullish on the longer term indicators. We can see we've still got good long, go long indicators, at least in terms of the signals. Looks like we haven't changed in terms of the 15-day, but that actually concerns me a little bit with the type of move that we've seen over the past 5 days. With the 15-day being at 19%, that means we could probably drop at least 10% in a day or a couple days, maybe even 15%, and it wouldn't even make it go negative on the rolling 15-day return, which is quite frightening. Let's go ahead and look at the sentiment overall. Let me just roll down to the sentiment. And I'm going to look at the ultra fast sentiment. At the very bottom here, I have what is the ultra fast sentiment. And this is really relating the sentiment over the past 2 days, just rolling into bullish or bearish. So when we look here, we can see that most recently it's been up 69%. Generally, this kind of an indicator, when it gets up above 60, like you saw here in February of 2023, generally it will fall back down. It won't go lower than usually the high 30s. Like right there, 38%. It won't go higher. It won't go lower than the high 30s, and it won't go higher than the low 60s. So when I see that kind of a move, and I look at the chart, because this coincides with what we saw on the indicator, I'm a little concerned. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? And if you're interested in getting more ideas like this, subscribe to the New High newsletter. I'll talk to you soon.